So this is just going to be a quick little video about how to install the Toyota pedal. This is the new version with the harness design, and as you can see, I'm using stock Toyota connectors. They're a lot more durable. I can leave the tabs on so everything clicks into place and it's nice and secure. So I'm going to show you how to install this in my Corolla. So the first thing you're going to do is down here, I've already removed these, but there are two screws over here holding this little plastic trim on. So you're going to remove those screws and then push this little tab in the center, pull it down, and it's just going to slide right on out, just like that. And then underneath the car, I've already run my Ethernet, so I have my CAN lines going into the DSU. Here's the gas pedal, and you can see the connector there. You just squeeze the top and pull it out. Sorry I couldn't get a good angle of that, but that's all out of the way now. Then you take your comma pedal and you're going to go this way, so tab facing out, and see if I can get a good shot here. Tab facing out, and just plug that in, it'll click. And then the other end, take the ECU side here, and you take the male side, and you can see how those will mate up, and that'll go in. And that, it may or may not click, but just make sure that it has a nice, steady, sturdy connection. And then you take your Ethernet line, wherever mine just went, and you just plug that right in. So, find my Ethernet line. There it is. So you take your Ethernet line, you plug it in. Done. Hide that out of the way. Take your cover, and there's a little plastic piece there, and that kind of goes into this little area right here. So what I like to do is hide the pedal underneath that, line it up, and then the tab should go right back in. Just like that, and everything's out of the way now. And now you should be able to start up the car and have no errors. See? No check engine light. So you know that works. And it's supported on stock OpenPilot now. So that'll just work. And that's it. That's all there is to it.